welcome back to my channel, Real Life DJ, JP here. I've only gone and got myself a new Pioneer XDJ RX3 to replace my RX2, so I'd better unbox it. I'm so excited, like I mentioned in the video about thinking, should I get one of these Pioneer XDJ RX3s? I love new DJ gear. What I did not mention in that video was the lack of availability in the UK of these, and I suddenly discovered that many DJ equipment suppliers had waiting lists. Luckily, I'm in a YouTube group on WhatsApp, and I asked if anybody knew where I could get a Pioneer XDJ RX3 from quick. Luckily, my friend and fellow DJ on YouTube, Carl Thomas, was aware of a company locally to him that actually did have a couple of them in stock. So a big shout out to Carl and to Sound and Light in Guildford, Surrey, who shipped this next day for me. I will link to Carl's DJ channel in the description and Sound and Light's website, so you can go and check them out if you wish to. I would recommend it though. Let's now crack on and unbox this Pioneer XDJ RX3. One Pioneer XDJ RX3. I'm hoping that this all comes out okay. I've got no idea if it is or not. So I haven't opened it yet. You'll see it's all fresh packaging. Hopefully that will... Yes, there we go. Oh, this gets in the way now, doesn't it? Oh. You know, when you're wishing you had a bit more space, just to be able to manoeuvre things around. Okay. A ILC power cable, which is never long enough. Just put them there. Over to me. That's a foreign one. USB connection. The warranty details. There we go. Right. Time to maneuver things around a little bit. To be honest with you, close all that up and drop that down there. This up here now. Right, we can carry on. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. That looks great. That looks absolutely fabulous. First things, obviously very much feels like the RX2. It's obviously got a jog adjust here. Doesn't have the vinyl adjust. There's something in the menu about that, so I'll do that because I do use that sometimes when people annoy me to slow the music down and press stop. Anyway, one XDJ RX3. I'm now going to go and plug this Pioneer XDJ RX3 in and learn how to use the menu and features and get it all set up exactly how I want. If you'd like to see more Pioneer XDJ RX related videos, I've created a playlist of videos I've produced. The link should be appearing above there now. I'll also put it in the description and at the end of the video. A big thank you to all of you for taking the time to watch this video. It's really appreciated. An extra thank you to everybody who subscribed. You know who you are. Don't forget to press like now if you've not done so already. Share on your social media of choice, and if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, then now is the time to do it. And don't forget to turn on that bell so you can get notified next time one of my videos goes live. Thanks again, and until next time, JP out.